Hello YouTubers, hope you're doing well, and today I have a fresh unboxing for you guys, and this is in relation to a temperature pulse oximeter. Now, I've recently received this product because I needed it. This video is not sponsored by this company, I just bought it for myself. I had the cardio arm which I was using, and I was trying to find a reasonable device which I can check my temperature and pulse and the oxygen level. So I did a little bit of research and I got this product from Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below. If you want to buy it, you can. And I'm not sure if it comes in any other color, but I'm just going to run you through the packaging and show you guys. So it's a product by LINKET, and why I bought this product was they have done significant tests in the hospitals, and that's what it was written, and it seems to be quite authentic. Made in China, and packaging is quite simple. It gives us some product features over here, and then we have some like a pictured over here on the front and the back. Tells us some details on this side, and I'll just take it out and show you guys. Okay. The first thing is that let me just open it up. I'll just show you guys. So the box contains the leaflet. I highly recommend to you guys to go through the leaflet. It's got a lot of instruction, and it's always good and handy to read the instructions before you jump into any product. Then it comes with this temperature probe. What you need to do is it's written over here. If you want to check the temperature, you just need to place the probe on the area for 5 to 8 minutes and then plug it back into the device, and then at that stage it will tell the temperature, or it'll pick up the temperature. So that's the temperature probe, and that is a leaflet, a quick start leaflet. And this is the device. So the first impression is that the device is made out of plastic. It's not really premium, but it looks from the serial number over here, as you can see, it seems that they have some sort of standard, and definitely there is, as what I've read. Rest, you can see that it's blue on the back and then a grayish material, a bit shiny, and it's got this connection for a lanyard, and it's got a lanyard inside, which I'm really not going to take out. Apart from that, there's nothing in the box. There's just a piece of sponge. So I'm just going to insert the battery and then we'll test it out. So guys, I've just put in the battery. You require 2 AAA batteries, and that's it. So you just close it, and the next thing you need to do is just put your finger in the center of the device, and you can feel it just pushes literally to the end, and you can just press this heart button and it says oximeter, and from here it will start giving you your pulse and your beats per minute and the oxygen. That should pop up in a few seconds. So here we go guys, that's popped up. So literally we can you can rest your hand and it'll just give you the correct readings. Now you can see that my heartbeat is slightly variating, and that's because I'm moving my finger, and there's no other reason to it. But my oxygen saturation is 99%, and the beats per minute is 74. I can toggle through this function to basically change the direction, the view of how I would like to view the numbers. So I've kept it in that way because it's more easier, because that's my right hand and I can see it in that way. So that's it. And I have even tested this device with other independent devices, and I found that it is 100% accurate, which is a very good thing. So cost-effective product, handy product for people who have say cardiac problems, or they want to monitor their oxygen force pulse if you've got any elderly person in the home, and you really, instead of putting all those different devices, this is a one packaged handy device which will give you pretty much accurate readings. I mean, I've tested the beats per minute with the Apple Watch, and it seems that the readings on this device were similar and even accurate than the Apple Watch, although that Apple products are quite authentic. So this was my quick review for the unboxing setup of the LINKET temperature pulse oximeter. If you're planning to buy one and you have got any questions, just leave it in the comment section below and I'll reply back to you. So guys, thanks for watching, and do subscribe, like and share, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye for now.